In space, there are no hospitals, no emergency rooms, no second chances. And yet, humans went anyway. To survive out there, NASA had to invent technologies that had never existed before. But something unexpected happened. Those technologies came back to Earth, and quietly they changed our life forever. This is the story of technologies born in space, under extreme pressure, zero margin for error, and absolute necessity. Technologies that didn't stay in orbit, but became part of your everyday life. This is episode 1 of NASA spin-off technologies, and today we uncover 3 innovations that changed the world. Imagine you are orbiting Earth at 28,000 km per hour. Your heart suddenly behaves abnormally. There is no doctor, no hospital, no way back. NASA faced a critical question. How do you monitor a human body from space? NASA developed advanced biomedical telemetry systems. But what does that really mean? Your heart doesn't just beat, it generates tiny electrical signals. Sensors placed on the body detect these signals, but they are extremely weak. So NASA engineered systems that could amplify the signal, filter out noise, convert it into digital data. Then came the hardest part, sending that data across space using low-power telemetry. Astronauts' health data could be transmitted from orbit back to Earth in real time. That same principle now lives inside implantable heart monitors, wearable devices, continuous remote health systems. Today, your heart can be monitored 24 hours a week without stepping into a hospital. Technology built to protect astronauts is now protecting millions of lives on Earth. NASA developed systems to monitor astronauts remotely, and later companies like Medtronic adapted similar principle to create implantable heart monitors used by patients today. In space, if something goes wrong, you must be found. NASA needed a way to track a spacecraft anywhere, receive signal instantly, locate object across vast distances, because in space being lost means never coming back. NASA helped develop satellite-based communication and tracking system. Here is how it works. A small device sends a distress signal into space. Satellite receive that signal and determine its location using GPS coordinates or Doppler shift, frequency change as satellite move. Then the signal is sent back to Earth to ground station that process the data. Within minutes, your exact position is known. Today, this technology is inside emergency beacons, rescue system at sea, personal locator devices. If someone is lost in the mountains or stranded in the ocean, a tiny signal can trigger a global response. From a space tracking system to saving life on Earth, because sometimes being found is everything. This global rescue capability is now part of systems supported by organizations like COSPA's SARSAT program, enabling emergency beacons to locate people anywhere on Earth. When NASA studies planet, they don't just take pictures, they analyze light itself, because what you see is only a small part of reality. NASA developed advanced image processing algorithms. Satellites don't just capture visible light, they detect multiple wavelengths, infrared, thermal radiation, other spectral bands. Each material reflects light differently. NASA algorithms then enhance weak signals, remove noise, combine data layers, suddenly patterns appear. Things that were invisible become visible. Using this technology, we can now discover buried ancient sites, detect on-ground structures, map environmental change. Even vegetation can reveal what lies beneath, because buried rooms affect how planets grow. We didn't just explore space, we learned how to see beyond our eyes. These image processing techniques are now used by companies like Maxar Technologies to analyze Earth and reveal hidden patterns from cities to ancient ruins. The greatest impact of space exploration was never just reaching the stars. It was what we brought back, from saving lives to finding the lost, to uncovering hidden history. NASA didn't just change space, it changed Earth. And this is only the beginning. In the next episode, we will uncover even more technologies that started in space and quietly shaped your world.